guys, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a request letter for employment certificate. What is a request letter for employment certificate? A request letter for an employment certificate is a formal letter written to your previous employer or HR department to ask for a document that verifies your past employment with the company. The letter should include your full name, dates of employment, job title, and any other relevant information. Clearly state the purpose of the certificate and provide your contact details for them to reach you. When you write the letter, remember to be polite and professional in your request. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a request letter for employment certificate step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient. You must write the full name of the recipient. Under it, write the title or job position or occupation in the company. And write the company name as well as the address. Once you're done, you can open the letter with salutation. You can simply write Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself first. Since you are a former employee, you must introduce by mentioning your full name. And mention your job position in the company. You must also mention the department, if any. In this example, the writer's name is James Bond and he is a former graphic designer from Creative Department. You can then tell the recipient that you have worked at the company and mention how long it is. If the company has some branches, mention which area it is. In this example, the writer have worked in NYC branch for the past 10 years. For the next, write brief about yourself during the job. You need to make sure that you were a good employee while working in the company, so the recipient would approve to give you the certificate you want. Here, you can mention that you displayed your best in abilities and potential. Of course, you can also tell the recipient how you always remained professional and eager to learn new skills. If you have any achievements in the company, you must mention them all here. Showing your contributions to the former company would make the recipient approve your request faster. You can say like you were awarded with Employee of the Year. And mention how many times you got it. In this example, the writer also mentioned that he got annual appraisal nominations because of his high professionalism. Mention also good attitudes during your stay. You can write like you were quick to learn, welcoming new challenges, good in teamwork or so on. Yes, just mention all the good things in you when you were an employee in the company. In the second paragraph, tell more details how you did your job well. You should give clear pictures how you were such a model in the company. And explain also how you love working in the company. In this example, the writer started his career from zero and learned the best. The writer updated his skill profile with the help of the supervisors and heads of departments. The writer here gives a picture how every is kind and talk about the environment of the company. For example, you can say that the environment was very professional and highly conducive. State clearly that you enjoyed working here. And if you ever got promotion, mention it too here. In this example, the writer got promotions 3 times. And after explaining them all, you can then tell why you no longer work there. In this example, the company's internal economic strength demise. and the company downsized its workers. This will be the bridging before you finally ask the employment certificate. Therefore, do it perfectly. In the third paragraph, tell how you lost the job. In this example, you can mention that you were removed from your position. And in this example, the writer also tell the recipient that the company laid him off permanently to downsize the company. Show how you tried to be patient and wait for a call from the company. Just like the writer, we can see that he have asked several requests. And it has been 2 months. And reconsideration of the decision still needs to be done. Of course, the company has no right to be mad if you look for another job. You can simply write you need job and you have responsibility for family or something. Therefore, you decided to apply for other positions at other organizations. It is okay to say that. And since you need to apply, you will need an employment certificate of working experience at the recipient's company. After that, you can tell the recipient why you need that and why you should attach it when you apply the job. For instance, just write if the certificate shall indicate your working potential, your skill profile, and your profile as an employee. These 3 is a must to request to be included in the certificate. So you must mention them. In the fourth paragraph, request the recipient to allow the relevant department to give you the certificate of employment. And tell the recipient how important it is to you. You can say that the certificate will catalyze the process of recruitment by the relevant authorities. Of course, you must complete all the requisites to get the certificate. And once again, request the recipient to order the appropriate person to give you the certificate of employment after highlighting the particular of your work. And this is the reasons why you write long paragraph in this letter, so the recipient will include the highlights you mentioned in the certificate. Don't forget to end the letter by thanking the recipient. Write thank you, add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a request letter for employment certificate. I hope the recipient approve it. And you get better job with better salary and better environment. Good luck. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.